Guys, so just real quick, I'm trying to put these Treadz laminated flooring steps in, and the nose of the Treadz does not fit over my existing stairs here. So as you can see, there's about an inch overhang on my tread, and the manufacturer would have you take a saw and cut that overhang off, which is going to be a huge amount of work. So what I'm doing instead, I've got this Corning Foamular 150, which is a insulation product. It's exactly an inch thick. I've cut it to size, and what I'm going to do is place it right in there in my steps, and put my riser up against it. So I also want to show you how to fasten this stuff in real quick. These are available at Home Depot and Lowe's. I got mine at one of the big box stores. But these grip fasteners use a plastic washer like this. And I use a number 10 2-inch long screw like this, and this is the result. Okay, so that Foamular insulation product makes a perfect vertical face for my new tread, and I'm painting a 1/8 inch thick red oak, I think is what it is, for the riser. I'm painting that riser. I'll just use some liquid nails and attach the riser with a couple screws down at the base. It'll be covered up by the new tread when that goes in. So just an idea for your consideration. Hope it helps. Thanks.